Welcome to our guide on mastering the color wheel for artists. The color wheel is the fundamental tool for any painter or artist. And understanding it can help you create more dynamic and harmonious compositions, such as this painting here. The color wheel is made up of 3 primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. These colors cannot be created by mixing other colors together. When mixing 2 primary colors together, we get the secondary color. For example, when we mix red and blue, we get purple. When we mix blue and yellow, we get green. And when we mix yellow and red, we get orange. These are the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. The color wheel also includes tertiary colors, which are created by mixing primary colors and a secondary color together. These include colors like blue and green, red and orange, and yellow and green. When using the color wheel, it's important to keep in mind the concept of complementary colors. These colors are on the opposite side of the color wheel, such as red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. These colors can create visual contrast and tension when they're together in a composition. In addition to complementary colors, you can also use analogous colors. When the colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, such as yellow and green, green and blue to green. So we have yellow, green, then we've got green, and then blue-green. These colors can create a sense of harmony and unity in a composition. Now that you have a better understanding of the color wheel, practice in using it in your own art. Experiment with different combinations of colors and see how they interact with each other. The more you use color and the color wheel, the more you're going to be able to use it into your advantage in your art. We hope this guide has been helpful in your understanding of the color wheel and how to use it in your art. Don't forget to practice and have fun with it. In conclusion, the color wheel is an essential tool for any artist, regardless of the medium. It can help you understand the relationships between different colors, creating harmonious color schemes, and achieving greater level of realism, believability in your artwork. If you're looking to purchase a color wheel, be sure to check out the people over at Cheap Joe's Art Stuff, where you can find a wide selection of high-quality color wheels and affordable prices. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about art and painting, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Happy painting!